In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your online session via PowerPoint for a HALS class. Open PowerPoint and start a new presentation, then type in screen recording in the search bar. A record bar will appear at the top. When you are ready, click the red record button. You will now see the recording bar at the top of your screen. Before the countdown finishes, change to the stream you want to record. 3, 2, 1, and you're recording. I've started the recording before I've started the meeting, so I don't have to worry about setting up recording whilst I'm allowing students through the lobby.
I'm in MS Teams now. Here is the course that I want to open, Marmalade Sandwich Making. So I'm going to click on the meeting invite and select Join. And join now. And there is a learner waiting in the lobby. Paddington is waiting in the lobby. So I'm going to view the lobby. And we're going to let Paddington in. Paddington is on mute and hasn't got his screen open yet.
Hi Paddington, welcome to the class. Just to let you know, we're recording this today, so if you don't want to take part, please do turn your video off. Your other Paddington friend has turned their video off, and that's fine, it's completely up to you. Okay, we will continue with the class. Right, that's the end of the class now. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you next time. I'm going to post this video on Edmodo so you can review it later, and those students that weren't able to attend can view it. Bye! Once you have finished teaching and closed your MS Teams session, you can stop the recording, either by clicking on Q, Shift and the Windows key at the same time, or by clicking on the Stop button on the recording bar. This is often hidden, so the shortcut using the keyboard is the easiest way. Your recording is now in a PowerPoint slide. To edit your video, select the playback bar and the playback option will appear. Select Trim Video to trim the beginning and end. If you want to cut out sections, copy the video and trim each section you want to keep. When you save the file, only the trimmed sections will be viewed. So you could make multiple copies and trim several sections to cut out parts that you don't want to hear or see. Now you're ready to save your work. To save it as a PowerPoint slideshow, click File and Save As. You can either save the PowerPoint slide as it is and show the video by clicking on the arrow, or by viewing the PowerPoint slide in slide mode, show mode. You're now ready to save your work. You can save as a PowerPoint slideshow simply by going to File, Save As. You can either save the PowerPoint slide as it is and show the video by clicking on the arrow, or by viewing the PowerPoint in slideshow mode. You can also Save as an MP4 video file. This is recommended for uploads to Edmodo. You can save the file as an MP4 video by going to the search bar and typing in export, then choosing export to video. You can now choose whether to view the video before you save it or simply create the video. We recommend at least 5-second intervals between each slide. If you want to add audio to images rather than having video, you can do this by selecting Insert and Audio. Some final tips. Depending on your laptop setup, recording learners' voices may cause feedback as your laptop is both listening to learners' voices and recording your screen. Pause recording when others are speaking if it's not relevant to the session. If you're sharing slides during the session, also add the slides to Edmodo. Upload your video in the class folder on Edmodo. That's all, folks!